Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change Duolingo profile picture. Before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Let's start our video. First we have to open our Duolingo. Now we have to tap on this girl icon in the middle of the screen in the bottom. So over here you can see I have my avatar or profile picture and I want to edit it or I have to change it. So just click on that profile picture. Now here you can edit your avatar. So basically in Duolingo you cannot upload an image for your profile picture. Instead Duolingo allows you to create an avatar for your profile picture. So here I'm going to edit my avatar or change my avatar. Okay, so once we are done creating our avatar, we can now upload this by clicking on done on the top right corner. And our profile picture for Duolingo has been changed. So this is how you change Duolingo profile picture. I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel.